Hello, wealth explorers. Have you ever found yourself intrigued by the world of cryptocurrency? Wondering how this digital currency operates and how it's transforming the financial landscape? Today, we embark on an enlightening journey to understanding the basics of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, known as fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Here are some key characteristics and concepts related to cryptocurrencies. Digital and decentralized. Cryptocurrencies exist solely in digital form and are not physically tangible like coins or banknotes. They operate on decentralized networks, typically based on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Blockchain technology. A blockchain is a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. It is maintained by a decentralized network of computers, nodes, that validate and record transactions. Once a transaction is added to a block, it becomes a permanent part of the blockchain, providing transparency and security. Cryptography. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This ensures the integrity and privacy of transactions. Public and private keys are used to facilitate secure transactions, with the public key acting as the recipient's address, and the private key as a secret code for accessing and authorizing transactions. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or central bank. Instead, they rely on a decentralized network of nodes to validate and record transactions. This decentralization makes cryptocurrencies resistant to censorship and interference. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a limited supply or a predetermined issuance schedule. For example, Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity can influence their value and is often compared to precious metals like gold. Peer-to-peer transactions. Cryptocurrencies enable direct peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. This can reduce transaction fees and increase financial inclusion. Anonymity and transparency. While cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger, the identities of users are typically pseudonymous. This means that transactions can be traced, but the real-world identities of users are not necessarily linked to their wallet addresses. Some cryptocurrencies offer more anonymity features than others. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. Their values can fluctuate significantly over short periods, which can present both investment opportunities and risks. Use cases. Cryptocurrencies can be used for various purposes, including online purchases, investment, remittances, and as a means of transferring value across borders. Some cryptocurrencies also enable the execution of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Regulation. Cryptocurrency regulation varies by country. Some nations have embraced cryptocurrencies and established regulatory frameworks, while others have imposed restrictions or outright bans. The regulatory landscape is evolving as governments and financial institutions grapple with how to address cryptocurrencies. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. Each cryptocurrency may have unique features and use cases, contributing to the diversity of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. FAQ section. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. How do cryptocurrencies work? Cryptocurrencies work through a decentralized ledger called a blockchain. Transactions are recorded in blocks, which are linked together to form a chain. Cryptography secures transactions and controls the creation of new units. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a distributed ledger system that records transactions across a network of computers. It is transparent, secure, and resistant to modification. It underlies most cryptocurrencies. What is the difference between cryptocurrency and traditional fiat currency? Cryptocurrencies are digital and decentralized, whereas fiat currencies are physical and centralized, typically issued by governments and central banks. Is cryptocurrency legal? The legality of cryptocurrencies varies by country. Some nations embrace cryptocurrencies, while others impose restrictions or bans. It's essential to be aware of your local regulations. What is a wallet in the context of cryptocurrencies? A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It contains a public key, address, for receiving funds, and a private key for authorizing transactions. How do I buy cryptocurrencies? You can buy cryptocurrencies on cryptocurrency exchanges using traditional fiat currency, or by exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. What are some popular cryptocurrencies? Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and Bitcoin Cash, BCH. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its unique features. What is the purpose of cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies serve various purposes, including facilitating peer-to-peer transactions, providing a store of value, enabling smart contracts, and offering an alternative to traditional banking systems. Are cryptocurrencies secure? Cryptocurrencies use strong cryptographic techniques for security. However, the security of your holdings depends on the measures you take, such as using secure wallets and practicing good cybersecurity. Why are cryptocurrencies so volatile? Cryptocurrencies are relatively new and have smaller market capitalizations compared to traditional assets like stocks and bonds. This can lead to price volatility due to factors like speculation, news events, and market sentiment. What are the risks associated with cryptocurrencies? Risks include price volatility, regulatory changes, security vulnerabilities, and the potential for loss if you forget your private keys or fall victim to scams. Can I use cryptocurrencies for everyday purchases? Some businesses accept cryptocurrencies as payment, but it's not as common as using traditional fiat currency. Cryptocurrencies are often seen as an investment or a means of transferring value across borders. What is a cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating and recording transactions on a blockchain by solving complex mathematical problems. Miners are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency coins for their efforts. What is the future of cryptocurrencies? The future of cryptocurrencies is uncertain but promising. They continue to evolve, with potential applications in finance, technology, and beyond. The regulatory landscape and market adoption will likely play a significant role in their future. As we wrap up our journey through the world of cryptocurrency, remember that knowledge is the compass guiding your financial exploration. The future of finance is evolving, and we're here to help you navigate it. If you found this video insightful, please consider sharing it to help others understand the intricacies of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for being part of our wealthy community. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay tuned for more financial insights.